Hi guys, so on this short tutorial I'm gonna show you how to fix Snapchat snapping went wrong. So first thing you wanna do is open the settings on your phone and then go to the apps manager. When you open the apps manager right here on this page, you will find all the apps that you have on your phone. So all what you wanna do is wait a few seconds and then scroll until you find Snapchat. When you find Snapchat, click on it and then click on this force stop right here and then go to the notifications management. Make sure to enable all the notifications. Go back and then click on the permissions. Make sure also right here to enable all the permission and then go to the storage right here or the internal storage. Click on clear data. Click on delete right here, and after that all what you want to do is go back to the settings on your phone and click on the wireless and networks. Now go to the airplane mode, enable it for 5 seconds and then disable it. And that's it guys, don't forget to like, subscribe, and thank you so much for watching this video.